Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice bounce has been underway. I mean, I think that not that long ago, the price was down there below $10, and now all of a sudden, price has gotten all the way back up above 12. Definitely a very impressive move. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some current levels of support. Then we can talk levels of resistance. First level of support, going to be the bottom portion of that consolidation area, and that sits right there at 1185. That's definitely what I would consider the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? And, certainly holding above that level. But that doesn't mean that if the price falls below there, that implies that everything's totally destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would definitely be a great sign of strength. More so in my mind, kind of the must-hold level is down there at 11. Why is $11 so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to kind of explain a little bit clearly, visually speaking, if the price were to go down to 11 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the chart? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And going back to where it was, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. Whereas let's say the price went down here, however, in this situation, behaved like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, the quote-unquote progress point being defined as $11. What about levels of resistance going forward? In the very near term, key level is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right there at 1285. If 1285 can be broken, and then while there is no such thing as a guarantee, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price potentially go up there and close that gap right around $14.20. So the point being, with a nice high volume break of the 1285 mark, it's not unrealistic at all to think that the price could then work its way up to at least that level, if not higher, which is another one of these benefits of one of these stocks that get gapped down like this. That it does create some pretty big spaces between areas of resistance. So we'll see what happens with it, but no doubt about it, very nice bounces underway, and we'll see if the price can continue to push forward or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.